Welcome to visit the earliest fractional horsepower motor manufacturer in China, our facility GW Electric. The earliest predecessor of the company, GW Electric, was Shanghai Micro Motor Factory. At present, GW Electric's leading products are high-efficient, ultra-efficient single/three-phase medium and small AC asynchronous motors, DC brush motors and brushless DC motors, which in line with the North American NEMA standard and the international IEC standard. Let's take a look at how the heart of the motors are being made. In the first, based on the design by our engineers, we shall wind the main and secondary coils of the motor. Then, according to the product batch size, we will select to apply coil machine inserting or coil artificial inserting, followed by binding, shaping and wiring on stators. We will apply the strict performance test for all stators before vanishing. Only the qualified stators will be allowed to ship to assembly line. In order to ensure the motor running is with high performance and mechanical dimensions meet the spec, we will apply the specific test for rotor aluminum die casting when we receive the rotor from supplier. Then insert the shaft into rotor by heating, after that applying the rough turning and fine turning on surface of the rotor, spraying the special paint on rotor surface for anti-rust. In order to meet the rapid development of new products by customer needs, our laboratory certified by the ULNCSA in 2006, that means we can run ULNCSA certification test in the house. The company has an experienced motor research and development team, has sufficient capability to customize the motor according to customers' demand. The company's products have UL, CSA, C and CCC certification, which satisfied with the requirements of the motor safety performance from different markets. In addition, all parts and materials which used for products making are meeting to the RoHS requests. More than 70% of company's products are sold in North America and European market. GW Electric has set up the sales company in the United States and Italy already. In the future, in addition to continuing to strengthen marketing activities in North America and Europe, will also vigorously promote and sell more products in the Asian Pacific region, including Australia and Southeast Asia. We sincerely hope to cooperate with you. GW Electric is willing to work with you closely, going to the bright future together.